Hello and welcome everyone. So as promised, today we are going to do Goofy and Pluto felt ornaments that will match our Minnie, Mickey, Donald, and Daisy set of felt ball ornaments. So I've already cut my felt, this yellow for Pluto. I have 10 circles. For Goofy I have 3 blue circles and, or not 3, I have 5 blue circles and 5 orange circles, and I will put in the description box and up here the link to the original video where I did Mickey and Minnie in case you need a slower, more involved tutorial. But for now we're going to go ahead and cut our circles in half. And after I do that, I'll come right back to you. So the next bit is to make our little wedge pieces. And remember, we do that by gluing a straight edge and folding it over and holding it for a second. And then moving on to the next one. So I'm going to do that with all of these and I'll come back to you. Okay, so for the next part, we're going to glue our pieces together to start to make our ball. So for Pluto, you're just going to glue yellow to yellow, just like this. Let that dry, and then for Goofy, you're going to glue a blue to an orange, like this. Just like that. And I'm going to do all of those and then I'll come back to you. Okay, so now we're moving on to the next step where we're going to hook these together. Remember, we're just going to do a strip along the edge and a dot, dot, and then hook it together. So we'll do 5 together in one and then another 5 for Pluto, and then for Goofy we're going to do the same, except we're going to make sure the blue matches up with the blue and the orange matches up with the orange, just like that. And again, we're going to do 5 pieces together for each half of the circle. I'm going to do those and I'll come back. Alright, now to do Pluto, we're going to give him a green ribbon to hang. And I already glued the ribbon together, so I'm just going to add some glue right to the center here. And stick it down. So next we're going to glue the whole thing together. So just like before, quick strip down the side, dot, dot, and then attach them together. I'm going to hold this for a few minutes and let it set, and then I'll come back. Okay, now we're ready to close it up. So we're just going to do the same thing. Strip down, dot, dot, and then get together. This is being a bit difficult. There we go. Smush it together. Hold it there for a minute, I'll come back. So for Pluto, he has a green collar, so I'm going to add a green ribbon right around the middle of the ball. And I'm just going to hot glue right in each little section like that. I'm just going to do a couple at a time. And I'm going to do that all the way around. I'm going to do that and come back to you. So for Pluto, I decided to make some ears. And I just cut them in this shape. And I'm just going to stick them between and glue them like this on either side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to glue it just like that. I'm going to do that and I'll come back. So that takes care of Pluto. He's all done. So let's move on to Goofy. Okay, so to do Goofy, I'm going to use a green ribbon to match his hat. And I already glued the bottom edges together, so I'm just going to glue it on here. And then I'm going to glue these two bits together. Hold that while I do that. I'm going to talk about the other things I made. I did some ears just like I did for Pluto, and then I made a hat shape. It's 2 pieces of the green with a little black piece to go across, and I'm going to do it just like I did when I did Donald's hat. Put it up there to the side like that. And I'll do Goofy's ears just like I did Pluto's ears. Okay, I'm going to let that sit for a minute, then I'll come back to you. Okay, so now we're just going to close this one up. Same as every other time. Just like that. And bring it together. I'm going to hold it like that for a minute and I'll come back. Alright, now that we have that glued, we're going to glue in ears. And then we're going to glue on the hat just like this. So there is Goofy, complete. So we got Pluto and Goofy to add to our collection. Next up, I'm going to try to do Chip and Dale. So stay tuned. If you like this video, I hope you'll like and subscribe and keep watching for the next one. Like I said, we'll do Chip and Dale. and lots of other Christmas crafts with Disney inspired ideas coming up soon. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye-bye.